All right, you laughter yogis. This is called Namaste Laughter. What we're going to do is we're going to put our hands at our heart. We're just going to bow slightly forward and we're going to laugh with each other. But to add a playful spin, we're going to imagine that we don't have any teeth. And we're just going to laugh that way. All right? Namaste Laughter. Ready? Go. And very good. Very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good. Very good. Yay. Fantastic, everybody. Just breathe in. Move the hands into the heart. Breathe in. And release. Enjoy breathing in again. And release. Fabulous. This next one is called Clamshell Laughter. So what we're going to do is we're going to put up our clamshell and at times we're going to open our shell and laugh, and at other times we're going to close our clamshell down. Okay, so clamshell laughter. Ready? Go. And very good. Very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good. Very good. Yay. Oh man, I'll tell you, life is better when you're laughing, right? Yes. And I find that when I can laugh at myself, I'm never out of material. So this is called Laugh at Yourself Laughter. So what you do, it's simple. You just point your thumbs at yourself and you just laugh, all right? Laugh at yourself laughter. Ready, go. And very good. Very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good. Very good. Yay. Doesn't that feel good to be able to laugh at yourself? Yes. Oh, just breathing in, rolling the shoulders. Roll the shoulders. Yes. Sigh out. Wonderful. Letting any tension go. Excellent. We're letting the tension go, but we're about to tense up, and then we're just gonna laugh, and we're tense up and laugh. All right, let's enjoy that together. Ready? Go. And very good, very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay. Fantastic, everybody. This is the last one. This is called the Teehee Binoculars. We're going to put these on over our eyes, look at each other, get real close, and we're going to laugh with each other. All right? Ready? Go. And very good. Very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay! Fantastic, everybody. Thank you for laughing, and keep laughing throughout your day. Mwah! Enjoy.